Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. In the second video today, guys, I would like to take a look at the Great British Pound, not in the gold market. It's really forming interesting setup, and in fact this is the continuation on scenario that we have talked previously about. So it was not somewhere in the beginning of the last week. So if you remember, the major context for our trading was first of all uncompleted XOP target with the major ABC top pattern. Market suddenly has stopped between the OP that has been hit here and XOP. On the way to the OP target, the AB equals CD, objective point OP. Market has shown rather fast action and already has passed through the OP but hasn't reached the XOP. That's why I said that, well, in the current situation, I think I said that's very good. It could become very good situation for a possible taking the long position if market will complete the XOP right at the confidence support. As confidence support in daily stands 137, 137.44. The XOP stands 136.86 approximately. So this is the confidence and agreement. We don't know whether this will be some big upward continuation or something really great, but at least minor retracement, that 3-8 retracement here is possible as a respect of this area. This is not bad opportunity for taking the long position. That is what we have on the daily chart. At the same time, guys, why we think that it's really this scenario could be completed. First of all, in today video on the dollar index on the euro currency, we still think that the scenario on the daily chart stands in favor of the United States dollar. And overall setup context on euro currency mostly is bearish. On the daily of the Great British Pound, we also have the bearish grabber. Let's take a look here. Is kind of the bearish grabber has been formed, and this grabber suggests the taking out of these lows. So that's why this gives more confidence that indeed maybe some downward action will continue. And finally, if you will measure the extension of this leg to the downside, you will see that the butterfly also is completed in this area. So you can see it's very good stuff for possible trading on a daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we have a nicely looking triangle pattern that is forming. Market right now stands in the last quarter of this triangle area. So it means that the breakout should happen rather soon. And as we are watching for possible taking the short position on the euro currency and long position in dollar index, here as well maybe before the breakouts, market really could flirt a bit around this area, but as soon as the major motion will start, maybe Great British Pound will join this. Trend has turned bearish already here. You can see how market accurately responds to the trend line. So every time it's forming kind of the bearish engulfing pattern here in the top. So here we just could watch what will happen. The opportunity that could be provided by the Great British Pound, I think that could become kind of the catalyst chip also sell maybe or something of that sort. So you can see this recent drop on the hourly chart looks not bad, and if market will form a kind of the ABCD retracement up, it's really very possible, because on the euro currency we're still watching for reaching a major resistance on the hourly chart. The same could happen here on the Great British Pound, and if this really will happen, well, maybe if you trade on intraday charts, maybe this will be not bad chance to take the short position here in the downward continuation with the target of the XOP on the daily chart. So this is another step that I will be watching today, and since also could become interesting. But the same as in the euro currency, today could become the personal consumption expenditures data. This will be released later in the session. This could become the major driving factor today. So maybe market will not start some significant action before this will happen, because everybody will be waiting for data release. So let's keep watching. what the progress we'll get today on this setup as well.